Hellcat.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video, and I'm Shrevato Shukla aka the WhizKid. And today guys, this is my first unboxing video, and today we are going to unbox the OnePlus Nord. That's right guys, it is a OnePlus Nord 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Pretty cool, right? Let's check it out. Let's see this. So their color is blue, alright. So this is the OnePlus Nord. See, so guys, this is the OnePlus Nord. Look at this. So we are going to unbox it right now. Alright, so let's open this up. See this guys, see this. So let's take it out. So this is the it has a dual front camera. One is of 32 megapixel and the other is of 8 megapixel. And it has a quad rear camera which has one camera 48 megapixel and another one of 8 megapixel and two more cameras. This phone has the battery life of 4115 mAh. And also guys, in India, this phone is going to go on sale on Amazon at 12 AM midnight, that tomorrow, that is 6th August 2020. And so we have got it early. Woohoo! Now let's open the other things that this phone has with us. Should we open the cover? Let's do that. Let's go. Ooh, look at this blue color. Nice. And this also has a fingerprint sensor here, right here. So we are just going to keep the mobile right here. Then this we are going to take out the cover. Now what is this? Let's take it out. So this is the welcome letter. Okay. This is the cover given by OnePlus. And what is this? Let's check it out. Wait, let's open this up. This is I don't know what this is. This is a guard. Okay, let's open this. Let's open this. Now this is a quick start guide. Alright. Then this is safety information. This is a red cable club card. Then this is the membership card's cover. And then this is I don't know what this is. So like let's take now what's there inside. Now this is its unique charger, red color charger, charging cable. That's right, this is a charging cable of OnePlus. Look at the pin. Okay, let's see. And this is, let me take this out. It's a Raptor. Look at this. So cool. So guys, this was the OnePlus Nord unboxing. Afterwards, cut. Okay guys, so it is the ocean blue color. This phone is there for 29,999 rupees on retail. Alright. So after a month, I'm going to post a video about its review, because like I can't get a review in I can't give a review in one day. So I'm going to take a bit time. I'm going to see its pros and cons, and then I'm going to upload a video, and then I'm going to tell you, is this phone good to buy? Is it worth the price or is it not? Alright. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also guys, stay cute, stay smart and let's stay wheezy.